Hello guys, yes, this message probably is to my brother Joseph Kalimbwe. I'm currently in Chinsari. I was driving in Great North Road, and suddenly I saw some trees, branches on the road, and there was a crowd, a small sizable number of crowd of people, and they asked me to stop. So I just thought maybe something happened, somebody might have died or something like that. Then I stopped. So turns out that there were two guys who were knocked by a vehicle and then it ran away. That vehicle, I didn't see it on the scene, but two things that happened. Like, I was a little bit scared, but I just saw that the lady who came, she was in blood and people were begging. I couldn't understand their language, because I think that's the other thing that we need to do, to have one African language that we learn all together, so that such things will not happen. So what I then did was I drove in that Great North Road, and I've dropped them at Chinsali Hospital. So I want you to see the video when I was talking to the other guy. I don't understand the language, but I hope you can understand what he was trying to say. So yeah, please spread the word in case maybe, but I am thankful that the police at the checkpoint at Chinsali, they allowed me to rush with these guys, because obviously probably if they were going to call an ambulance, maybe it was going to take time. But this is what happened. As you can see in the video, this is the lady. Some of the video I can't post it on other platforms like Facebook, but I'm posting it here on Twitter so that you guys can see what happened. But crazy what happened on the road. Please drive safe, and Zambia, be safe out there. You can go ahead.
My name is Ishinarandi, Nebo Justin Mulenga. Twachikwata road accident apo omuntu basaponkana no wa Honda. So wa Honda alife chimbi chimono kuti katushe bumoleso mwe nala twafuila. Bachi babili pali Honda badi omu alife bwino nomba omu chimofe no kuti katushile moleso mwe nala twafuila. Natukwata road accident wa Honda kwe na alife fimbi. Naho bachipunka naho ine katushivele sofyo mwe na wala twafwa. Nemkwai kwa napuisha Nebo Justin Mulenga. Twachifuma pali munwa twasafikana kuno ku hospital, General Hospital Chinsali, eko tuli kuno. Ko twachisafika ba driver twasalomba ba driver batu bamusebwe kutsatusendako. Bachirafuma katusinga bafumina kuna konde ekusatusendako kusatusha kuno. Ko General Hospital.
All right, okay.